The success of the marketing and sales of a B2B business is in these three words. Okay, I call it the arc. This is for anyone in a B2B business. I'm going to break this down. The success of the marketing and sales of a B2B business is in these three words. Okay, I call it the arc. First is access. How do I get access to that decision maker? Second is relationship. No matter who says what, I genuinely believe B2B today is become an environment of how good my personal rapport and relationship is with that person. Okay. Third is credibility. Now, here what I mean is, when I'm building that relationship, from what persona is that person seeing me? The person seeing me as a vendor, as a partner, as a thought leader, as what? What I would suggest to someone like you is to build a community of these decision makers. So who in the audience, who in the industry, what designation are these people at?
They typically are the senior vice presidents or CMOs.
Okay, so let's say now, if let's just say you have to curate an experience, there are two things that you can do. Okay, because I'm helping a couple of our clients do this. Okay, so one of our clients, target audience CMOs, wants to build a relationship with the top CMOs in the country. Now, what he's building and what we are helping him build is a event where 100 CMOs will be invited, and it's an education come connection building event he's doing. Now, for him, the idea is, out of this 100, there are top 20. The top 20 will get stage time, where he will do panel discussions, fireside chats with them. The rest 80 will get access to this event, and it's by invite only, so there's an exclusivity and a novelty. Now, for 100 to show up, invitation has to go out to 150 or 200, because these are busy people, so dates may not work, whatever may happen. But what something like this will do for him is, it'll make him the face. It establishes huge credibility. These people then want to build a relationship with you. So getting access is not a challenge for him. So for someone like you, as an organization, you'll have to do something very exclusive. Event is one idea. The other idea is to build a community of CMOs. Your marketing has to be moving in that direction beyond the traditional stuff.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Do you think the place which I'm into, you being in Bangalore, things are a lot easier than said and done.
So I'll tell you what, your place need not be your limitation, because you can execute. The execution of this can happen in any part. It can happen in Mumbai, it can happen in Bangalore, it can happen in Delhi, it can happen anywhere. All I'm saying is, now start looking at how do you establish thought leadership. Because B2B sales though is one thing, which is your team is doing. But we are moving towards an era where thought leadership is very important, which means by building a community, by curating a conference, by curating all this, you are becoming thought leaders.